Dear children, I am going to teach lesson 3rd in geography, water resources. In this chapter, syllabus के टॉपिक में देखें वाटर स्कैरसिटी एंड द नीड फॉर वाटर कंजर्वेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट। मतलब इसमें क्या क्या पढ़ाया जाएगा ये पहले देखें। वाटर स्कैरसिटी एंड नीड फॉर वाटर कंजर्वेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट। कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज, डैम, मल्टीपर्पज़ रिवर प्रोजेक्ट, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग। ओवरव्यू में क्या लिखते हैं देखें। वाटर विटल फॉर लाइफ। वाटर इज द विटल नेसेसरी ऑफ लाइफ। द बिलीफ इज दैट लाइफ हैड फर्स्ट originated in water before in invaded land. It is often the read that 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. थर्ड फोर्थ यहाँ लिखते हैं, वैसे 1/2 जो है हमारा पानी पृथ्वी पर पाया जाता है। यहाँ लिखते हैं 3/4 ऑफ द, लगभग बताते हैं, ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस इज कवर्ड विथ वाटर। दैट मीन्स there is no storage of water. In spite of all this, most of the countries of the world are facing water crisis. The region is only a small proportion of water accounts for fresh water that can be put to use. The fresh water is mainly obtained from the surface and groundwater. Both these resources are continuously being renewed and recharged through the hydrological cycle. Water scarcity and the need for water conservation and management. Depletion of water. The amount of the fresh water available on the earth today is not so much as it was available 2000 years ago, when the earth pollution was less than 3% of its current size. Demand for water. Rising demand for water in agriculture, domestic use and industries are forcing a stiff competition over the distribution of scarce water resources, both among different regions and types of use. Water is likely to play the vital role in the world economy in the 21st century. The conflicts over water have already started to take place within as well as among the various nations of the world. Examples are the Kaveri water dispute between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and Ganga water dispute between India and Bangladesh. Only drought-prone region and desert region cannot be termed as water street. Even region with the plenty of water resources may feel the sting of water scarcity due to water pollution and other allied regions. Cause of water scarcity. Water scarcity is a result of depletion of limitability of the fresh water. It may occur in regions that have ample water sources but suffer from unequal access to it. Falkenmark, a Swedish expert writer, water street occurs when water availability is between 1000 to 1600 cubic meter per person per year. Main cause responsible for water scarcity are as under पहला है first large population. A large population of India requires more food, so agriculture is done on the large scale. This requires more water, which brings reduction in the supply of fresh water in wells and rivers. The state of Punjab and Haryana suffer from overutilization of the water needed for agriculture. Water pollution. Domestic and industrial water wastage, chemical, pesticides and fertilizers are dumped into rivers and lakes without treatment. अभी जैसे हमने बताया था शायद इसमें कि नदियों में प्रदूषण कैसे होता है, तो केमिकल रासायनिक पदार्थ और फर्टिलाइज़र के जो वेस्टेज होते हैं उन्हें नदियों में और लेक में डंप कर दिए जाते हैं, जिसके कारण प्रदूषण होगा. Thus they make these water source unfit for human consumption and other uses. Water stress further lead to water scarcity, over exploitation and mismanagement of water resources are going to bring reduction in the sources and cause ecological crisis that will have a great impact on our life. Intensive industrialization. The increasing number of industries has made matters from bad to worse by exerting pressure on existing freshwater resources. Industries are heavy users of water. Besides, they also require power to run them. Much of the energy comes from hydroelectric power. At present, in India, hydroelectric power contributes approx 22% of the total electricity produced. Increasing urbanization, शहरीकरण. Urbanization is increasing by leaps and bounds. It has increased pressure on freshwater resources. Water is required for domestic purpose as well as for industrial use. Emergence of urban centers having large and dense population and urban lifestyle have added to water requirements as well as have further graved the problem. Most societies and colonies have their own groundwater pumping device to meet their water needs with overexploitation. These cause depression in several of these cities. Need for conservation water. Now, look, conservation it helps to conserve and manage our available water resources. Safeguarding. Pure water is required to safeguard our state from health hazards. Ensuring food security. For ensuring food security, we require lot of water for irrigation. Continuation of livelihood. Conservation of water is also required for continuation of our livelihood and productive activities. Ecosystem. It is required to prevent degradation of our natural ecosystem, avoid impoverishment क्या है, our exploitation mismanagement of water resources empowers this resource and cause ecological crisis that may have a profound impact on our lives. Now, conservation of our water resources. It is revealed from archaeological and industrial records that from an ancient time we have been constructing sophisticated hydraulic structure like dam, but of stone, rubble, reservoir or lake, embankments and canals for irrigation. We have continued this tradition in modern India by building dam in most of our river basin. Now next day dam system.